Just like Bokenger in 2006, I watched my first Kamen Rider right after Kamen Rider Black, ang Kamen Rider Kabuto. Kamen Rider Kabuto is the 7th rider for the Heisei era. Noong 1999, merong meteorite na nag-crash land sa Shibuya area sa Japan. Dala nito ang mga aliens na kung tawagin ay worms. The worms have the ability to copy the likeness and memories of people. Jumping forward 7 years sa year 2006, the organization known as ZECT has been tasked to eliminate worms. Dinevelop nila ang Mask Rider system para lang magawa ito. Doon sa isang mission, medyo nahirapan sila sa isang worm, so pinayagan nila yung kanilang data collector or cameraman na si Kagami na gamitin for the first time yung Mask Rider system. However, hindi pumunta sa kanya yung Kabuto Sector. Instead, pumunta ito kay Soji Tendo. And with the words, Henshin! He transformed into Kamen Rider Kabuto. Of course, nagtaka yung mga taga-Zek kung bakit merong belt si Tendo. To understand why may belt si Tendo, you have to watch the movie Godspeed Love. Bale, long story short, Godspeed Love happened in an alternate Earth. Merong meteor na pa-crash sana sa Earth pero pinigilan yun ni Hyper Kabuto. Na-transport niya yung meteor 7 years in the past pero hindi niya napigilan fully, may nakalusot na maliit. After niya ma-dispose yung larger part ng meteor, buwaba siya sa Earth para ibigay yung belt sa kanyang younger self. Now going back to the series, ang main mission talaga ni Tendo ay to defeat all worms, albeit protecting his sister who happens to be a worm din. Then they discover the Mask Rider system has been around since 1971. Yun pala, may mas nauna ng aliens na nakarating sa Earth na parang worm din, ang mga natives. Tumulong sila sa pag-develop ng Mask Rider system. Pero ang main goal ng mga natives is to turn humans into natives din. So eventually, Kabuto defeats all worms and natives na masasama and lets the good ones coexist with humans and live normal lives. And may I just say na si Kamen Rider Kabuto for me has the best rider kick.